2026, these AI robots are going to take the world to a completely different level. Now, AI and robots are no longer just experiments or lab projects, but are working in the real world. From factories to hospitals, and from warehouses to exhibitions, everywhere AI robots are making their place. Today, we will talk about the world's top 10 robots, which are redefining the future. First of all, let's talk about Tesla Optimus, which is being developed by Elon Musk's company Tesla. Optimus was just a prototype in the beginning, but by 2026 it has improved a lot. Now it performs repetitive tasks in factories, lifts boxes and carries them from one place to another, and manages inventory. Tesla's vision is that in the future this robot becomes affordable and can also be used in homes. If it becomes successful, it can take away many humans' jobs. At number 2 comes Figure 01, and it has been made by Figure AI. This robot has been specially designed for warehouse and industrial work. Its biggest strength is its AI system, which can understand natural language, meaning if you give it instructions in simple English, and it can properly understand you and work accordingly. And this very feature makes it different from other robots. At number 3 is Atlas from Boston Dynamics. Atlas is famous for its athletic abilities, can jump, can flip, and can maintain balance even on uneven terrain. And its 2026 version is even more powerful, and it can also do heavy industrial work. This robot shows how advanced the combination of engineering and AI has become. At number 4 comes Digit by Agility Robotics. Digit's focus is logistics and package handling. It works very efficiently in warehouses. Its design is a little unique, which allows it to move smoothly even in tight spaces. In 2026, Digit is being deployed in real commercial environments. At number 5, let's talk about Unitree H1, which has been developed by Unitree Robotics. This robot is known for its speed and flexibility, can run like humans, can jump, and can perform very dynamic movements. Its relatively lower cost makes it even more interesting, because in the future the concept of affordable humanoid robots can become real. At number 6 is a mecha by Engineered Arts. A mecha has not been made for heavy work, but has been designed for human interaction. Its facial expressions are so realistic that it looks almost like a human. It is used in exhibitions and research events. It shows that robots are not evolving only to work, but also to communicate. At number 7 is Pepper by SoftBank Robotics. You can see Pepper in retail stores and hospitals. It guides customers and also answers questions and provides friendly interaction. Its emotional recognition capability itself makes it perfect for the service industry. At number 8 is Quadruped Robot Spot, and this is also a product of Boston Dynamics. Spot is used for inspection in hazardous areas, such as construction sites or oil plants. It goes to dangerous places and collects data, and because of this, human safety improves. And because of this, humans are saved from taking big risks. At number 9 comes GR1 from Fourier Intelligence. This robot helps in healthcare and rehabilitation. For the aging population, it can become a strong support system in the future. It assists patients in movement and works in medical environments. And finally, at number 10 is Walker X by UBTech Robotics. Walker X has been designed for home assistance, and it can open doors, can pick objects, and can integrate with smart home systems and can control all the smart objects of the house. And this robot is going to take smart homes to a different level in the future. If we look overall, then in 2026 AI robots are no longer just experiments. They are working in the real world and are transforming industries. Now the question is not whether robots will become part of the future or not. Now the question is how soon they will become part of our daily life. And on which robot you want to watch a detailed video, do tell in the comment. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.